This tutorial is for first grade, Module 1, Lesson 20. In this lesson, we're going to use the commutative property of addition to help us count on to add. So here's what we mean. The first problem says to circle the larger amount. So I have two groups of skateboards. Obviously, the group on the right is the larger amount. Now we're going to write a number sentence starting with the larger amount. So on the right-hand side, I have 7 skateboards, and on the left, I have 2 skateboards. I know that I can write 7 plus 2 instead of 2 plus 7 because in the previous lesson, we looked at the fact that when we switch these facts around or use the commutative property for addition, our sum doesn't change. The benefit of starting with our larger number is we can start with the 7 and then count up 2 more to get our sum. To use the counting on strategy to add, I would say 7, 8, 9. I start with the larger number and I count up the number of hops that would be equal to the smaller number. So again, I would say 7, 8, 9. So 9 is my sum. Starting with the larger number means that we would have fewer hops to figure out the total. We'll use the same strategy to finish this number bond. Here I have a 5 and a 2. I'll write my sentence starting with the larger number. So I'll start with 5. To that I will add 2. In order to find my sum, I would count 5, 6, 7. 7 is my total, and that tells me that is the whole part of the number bond. 7 is made up of 5 and 2. And in the last section, we're going to solve all of these problems by first circling the larger number and then counting on to add. In the first problem, I have 1 plus 5. 5 is the larger number, so I would count 5, 6. In the next problem, 6 is the larger number. I'll circle that, and I would count 6, 7, 8. In the last problem, 4 is the larger number. I'll circle that, and I would count 4, 5, 6, 7 to use the counting on strategy to find my sum.